So we're recording, but we're recording on that one, and we're recording on this one.
And wait.
We're recording. All right, welcome to Ian Doing Stuff. I'm Ian. What's your name?
Truett.
Yeah, it's my son Truett, and we are in the garage. Mama just had baby, what's the baby's name? You want to have a microphone too? I only have one microphone. So Mama just had baby Gemma, and so we need to be able to lock the bathroom door. I went to Lowe's and picked up the a quick set doorknob. This is just the bed and bath one. And I got this Craftsman 6-piece door set. What is that? Oh yeah, it's a screw.
Wait, what is that?
This is going to allow me to put this doorknob into a door. He's drinking his water. So, this is a video about how this thing works. If you've ever wondered, I've never done this before, but we picked one up today. So, we will open this up. I picked up the one that's for metal and for wood, because I've got metal and wood doors around here, and I never know either.
I'll tell you something.
What's up, bud? Yep.
Is this that, I really want to get my own microphone.
Oh, you want your microphone?
Mm-hmm.
Well, bud, all I have is one microphone right now.
And Daddy, I'll tell you something.
What's up?
Your voice is actually not loud.
My voice is not loud?
Mm-hmm.
Well, because it's recording in a microphone. If you want to, yeah, the microphone's right there. If you want a microphone, tell the people who are watching this video. If you're watching this video, buy me a microphone, please.
Buy me a microphone, please.
There we go. All right. So in here, hold on a second. All right. In here, this is kind of cool. This is a router, little router bit. You put this on your screw on your mount. All right. This is a little router bit. It looks like it goes right into here to route out stuff. Here is. There are no instructions. Awesome. All right. So it comes with the main door jig. Comes with a big hole saw that the bit fits into. Comes in a little hole saw the bit fits into. Then it has another little jig. And it has another little jig here, and it has a little bit. So, you read the instructions. We'll go inside and we'll actually install this doorknob. There's nothing special about this doorknob. We'll install this doorknob using this kit. You ready to do it, bud?
What?
Let's do it.
It looks like it can fit in there.
Yep, that's exactly what it does. Here we are.
Holy yeah.
Here we are. We are in the bathroom.
And I got my screwdriver.
He's got his screwdrivers. There we go. This is the door we need to put the handle on. So I went and measured the front door, and it was 35 inches to the knob. Made my mark at 35 inches here. Then I set this to 2 3/8. Put it on there. Made sure. Let's see. Let's put it on here.
Yep, like that.
There we go. I like where that sits. So that's where I'm going to do it. And then I made sure that this could handle that depth. So this can handle 2 3/8 and 2 3/4. So we are good to go there. So my next step is going to be to align this on and tighten this jig down with the couple screws. So let's do that.
why it did not work.
But you know, I don't know. Sometimes things just don't work, you know?
Like trying to build something.
Yep, sometimes things just don't work. All right. Got that chiseled out. That is ugly, but we will install this. It's so bad, but whatever. It's just our bathroom, so we'll screw this on. Now we're just gonna install the door handle. All right, there we go. We got that in there. The door shuts. There we go. Look at that. We are good to go. Clean this mess up, and then we'll talk about that tool. Truett straw. Well, that was an adventure. Feel half and half on this tool. It had its positives and it had its negatives. I think Truett's coming. You coming in, bud? Yeah. All right, come on in. I'm making a video. Now that Truett's here. It was okay. It's a thumbs up and a thumbs down. For thumbs up and a thumbs down. Yep, that's right, just like that. What was fantastic about this was that this came with this hole saw and this hole saw, and it allowed you to line up your first big hole. This was a 2.5. It allowed you to line up your 2.5-inch hole perfectly. It was amazing. Just made my mark, lined it up. You put the screws in here to hold it from going anywhere. That part is awesome. Also, what's great is drilling the hole for the shaft here for the doorknob. Amazing. What I did not pay attention to, where this was in relation to the door this way. So my thing is just a little off that way. That is my fault. I should have paid a little bit more attention to that. If I would have, it would have been a whole lot better. This thing feels like it's worthless. This did not work. Maybe I was doing it wrong, but this is a great idea. It just did not work for me. Maybe, if you know how to make this work, let me know how to make this work. But really what I ended up doing was just tracing around the piece, chiseling that out, good to go. And then just installing the door, the handle, the knob. Super simple, normal things, chisels, holes, making sure it all fits. Super simple. I've done that a million times. But I've never done this before. So for never doing this before, I feel pretty good. This was super helpful. I don't think I could have done it without this. It just felt like half of this was good, the other half wasn't very good. That is my my review on this Craftsman 6-piece door lock installation kit. Other than that, anything else, bud? What else did you have to say?
I wanted to show you. Watch.
There you go. Nice. So I'll leave a link in the description. So if you want to, you can get your hands on all of this stuff in today's video. Also, today's official sponsor. First off, as always, Muletown Coffee. Right, bud? Muletown Coffee. Are they the best coffee in town? Best coffee around? That's right, they are. And then also, today's second official sponsor is the camera of choice. What's the camera of choice?
Make videos?
No, what's the camera? What camera do I use? GoPro, the official camera of Ian doing stuff. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hope that was helpful for you. See you next time. There we go. All right, bud. Let's shut her down.